Well, hey folks, how you doing? Don Grandt, CTC, cutting tool counselor, here with another fun and exciting episode of In the Loupe TV, sponsored by the Harvey Performance Company. Thanks for coming back, but before we get started, please just do me a favor. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and share with anybody that you think might gain from this knowledge we bring as a cutting tool company. This one's a little bit different. This is a special segment. This is going to be a In the Loupe short. I'm going to give you one piece of information. I'm going to get you out of here in 3 to 5 minutes. Hopefully you learn something. Hopefully it's something valuable that you can bring to your company, to your manufacturing environment, and to your spindles. So I thought about this. What do we want to talk about? And I think one thing that plagues us all is severe procrastination in the workplace. And how do we avoid it? So I wanted to do an episode on severe procrastination in the workplace and how it can be avoided. But then I got to thinking, we'll do that on a later episode. I don't want to do it on this one. Maybe we'll do that one next month. That would be a good time to do that. This one, we're going to talk about back taper on a drill. That's all we're going to talk about, back taper on drills. What is back taper? How is it used? Why do we design drills that have back taper? Stick around. We're going to talk about it next. Folks, I don't know if you know this, but a drill has back taper. What's back taper? Well, that means a drill is actually only cutting on the point angle, and then it has back taper, which means the diameter of a drill is always going to be larger than the back side of the drill. Why is that? We don't want friction in the hole. The point's doing all the work. We don't want any friction, so it has back taper in it, so when the point is cutting, it's not rubbing on the rest of the tool. So the point's doing a lot of the work on a drill. Why do I say that a drill has back taper? Well, because a drill has a diameter. That diameter is on the point, and you have back taper from there. So keep this in mind when you regrind or resharpen a drill, that the diameter is going to get smaller as you move back. And the more times you regrind it and the more times you resharpen it, that diameter is just going to get a little bit smaller and smaller. Now we're talking tenths. Don't get excited. We're not talking thousands, 5, 10,000. We're talking tenths, but that diameter will get smaller as the tool goes backwards. Well, thanks for joining me, folks. I told you this was a short one. It's a shortened version. We're going to be doing these every once in a while. We'll get you in, we'll get you out as quick as possible, and hope you learn one aspect of cutting tools that can help you better at the spindle. Don't worry, the long ones are coming. I like to talk. We're going to have an episode on 3D surfacing. I talked about it on the last one. That episode's coming to you real quick. It's going to be a full-length episode. Hopefully you enjoy that. Hopefully you enjoy these shorts too. Please, just put your comments below if you enjoyed it, if you like the shorter version of that. That way I'm not talking so much. Other than that, hey, there's 3 guarantees in life: death, taxes, and spring passes. Have a great rest of your week, folks.